What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. I know, we're going through some stuff, the whole world right now. So I just wanted to talk about my favorite products from, these past few months. I'm not gonna label this video as like my March favorites. It's still, like pretty early to post this video, but I think I might. I don't know. You guys will know later on by the title. I'm pre-filming this. But yeah, I do have a bunch of products that, they've been my go products, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I do have a couple of things of like, skincare, makeup, there's like hair products, perfume, and, let's just get started. I'll show you guys all the stuff that I enjoy and like. So the first two things that I want to show you guys, well actually three, they're really honestly like primers slash moisturizers. The first one would be the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30, I believe. So I literally use this stuff every single day when I wake up in the morning. Put this on my face. It has SPF 30 on it. You really want that on your face when you go out on the sun. Even when it's not sunny out, you still are damaging your skin from the sunlight. So this is a really good product. It is really pricey, I'll say that. It's like I think around like $65, but it is definitely worth it. So yeah, if you guys wanna split some money on a really good moisturizer, plus have like a protection against like wrinkles and stuff, definitely try this out. And then I have these two e.l.f. products. They're more on the affordable side. I believe they're like both under $10. This is probably even like $6. So this one is the Puff Puff Primer. It's cannabis deprived primer. And then I have the Poreless Putty Primer. I think everyone knows about the Poreless Putty Primer. I mean, everyone just kind of like in the beauty community, even, everyone that I know, they really love this. It just makes your skin look so like healthy, and like the makeup, like your foundation doesn't smear off as fast, and it doesn't get cakey with both of these. This one's more of like a creamier formula. This is kind of more of like, it just kind of like goes into your skin. You can't really like see it. It kind of just like mattifies your skin, and yeah, it does like hide your pores and stuff. So definitely check these two out. And then for the powder, I've been obsessed with the Morphe translucent powder for like setting my face and baking it. I'm actually on my second container already. This powder is only $8 at Ulta or Morphe website, but I highly recommend it. Yeah, honestly, like, I'm wearing it today, and it kind of just, like, smooths out your skin, and it looks like you have a filter on your face. I do really like that Maybelline translucent setting powder, but honestly, this is even better, and it's super affordable as well. And then, I've been loving this Ofra Madison Miller Highlight in Moonstone. I got this from Ipsy, but guys, I love Ofra highlights, but this one, like, oh, look at that. It's beautiful. I'm not wearing it today, but I am wearing the Becca Moonstone, and this way better. Like, this is like intense. It is probably not suited for like a darker skin. If you're like my complexion or even lighter, this will be really good, but like medium and darker skin, I don't think it will look good because it's so like, it's really fucking pale, you know what I mean? But yeah, check this out, really good. And then for some skincare products, I do have these two products from Pure Lee's. This one right here is the Watermelon 2-minute polishing peel. So this kind of just like exfoliates your skin. You kind of just like with your face, kind of scrub it, let it sit on your face for 2 minutes, and I'm almost done with it. But like, this is the best exfoliating scrub that I ever tried out, and it smells really good as well, and it's cute and pink, so why not try it? And then this is the best eye serum that I tried ever. I have really like dark circles under my eyes, and my eyes get really puffy and dark. So this, it's a lifesaver. I'm not sure how much this retails for, but it does hydrate, firm, and brighten, and decreases the puffiness, and it's for sensitive skin as well. So if you're looking for a really good eye serum, or like anything for your like under eyes, check this out. Purelisse, I love Purelisse. They have so many good skincare products, and they're such a like good company, and they try to like, you know, inspire females and just female power and stuff. So yeah, I love them so much, so go check them out. And then I have these two face washes. If you guys can see, this is empty. Literally, there's nothing here. It's the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Facial Wash. This, hands down, is probably my favorite face wash I ever tried in my whole life. I'm really picky when it comes to face washes, especially because like I like to take my makeup off with this face wash. I'm not really like micellar water and like cotton pads and like type of girl. I tried it so many times, it just doesn't work. But this, oh my god, y'all, please, that's all I have to say. Just try it and tell me how it works, because I love this stuff. And then I have another Clean and Clear. This is the lemon gel cleanser. I only been using this for probably like a week now, but it really takes off my makeup really well, and also like takes all that oil from my face without like stripping my skin and making it feel really dry. So check this out as well. I think this is only like $6 at Walmart. Yeah. And then some hair products. For anyone who has pink hair or colored hair, try this brand, Bright. They make shampoos for, you know, if you have colored hair. They have a purple one, and then this is the pink one. I actually don't have the purple one because I left it at my mom's, but the pink one, I had blonde hair, and all I did was literally leave this in my hair for like 10 minutes when I was like taking a shower, and my blonde hair turned pink. So I didn't even have to dye my hair. This honestly just keeps your color in, and you can literally dye your hair with this without damaging it. So fuck yeah. And I think on sale this was only like $5. It is a small bottle, but you need the tiniest amount, and you only need to use this like once or twice a week to kind of keep that color in. So check this company out. I'll link all the products down below for you guys, so you guys can, you know, check them out if you are interested. And then if you have really dry hair, and like, you know, you do a lot to your hair, either dye it, curl your hair, or you have curly hair, or whatsoever, you know, try this out. This is the She Moisture Hydrate Repair Protein Power treatment. So what I usually do is leave this on my hair for like probably like a good half hour when I you know, wash my hair and stuff once a week, and it transferred my hair. It's so soft, and like it's actually like curly on its own now, which is weird because like I'm so used to my hair being pretty straight, because like I kind of damaged it and it used to be really curly. So I'm trying to repair it using this, and it's doing wonders, and it smells so good. So definitely check this out as well. And then I do have this Naked Skin Organic Tanning Mousse. It's affordable. Smells like shit, but it does leave the color on really nicely. Like, it's not really patchy. The color of it, it's not like too orangey. It's really good. So, yeah, that's all I have to say about this, I guess. It's a tanning mousse. I don't know what else to say. You just gotta try it. And I do have, I think, video about this on my Instagram somewhere, so check my Instagram out if you want to know more about this. And then, if you love to take baths, if you have a tub, and you know, you love using, like, bath bombs, or, you know, bath salts, or, like, any, like, you know, like foaming bath stuff. The Dr. Teal's coconut foaming bath thing, it smells so good. Like, this company is really good when it comes to, like, you know, having any, like, bath, like, items, I guess. But this, the smell of it, you just need it for literally the smell. That's what I have to say about that. Just get it for the smell and you will love it. I'm telling you guys, it's good. And then the last item that I have, it's this Versace perfume. I know, a little bougie. It's more pricey. This used to be my favorite cologne perfume when I was in high school. And then I got it for Christmas. I haven't worn it for like the longest time. And then my mom bought it for me for Christmas. And it smells so good. Like, I just want to like wear this every single day because it just smells so good. It's like, it's really fresh but also like sweet but not too sweet. And it just makes you feel so like crystal. Like literally like you're like a fucking... This is how I feel when I wear this perfume. Like, this is what I think I am when I'm wearing this perfume. I don't know. Like, it's so hard for me to like describe stuff, but if you guys know what I mean, this is how you're gonna feel if you wear this perfume. Like a bougie ass crystal. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to share with you guys all my favorite products that I've been loving lately. You know, I hope you guys can take your mind off things and just kind of enjoy the rest of like whatever the fuck's going on with this world and the country and just everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps, especially right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.